There are many pot rack products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pot racks from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Mudila Pot Rack. Rating 4.3. Before purchasing, please measure the size of your cabinet space to ensure a perfect fit. Because our pot rack takes up a certain amount of space after storing pots and pans, if it is too large, you will not be able to use it. Don't miss out on the one-stop pots and pans organizer for seamlessly organizing your mix of heavy and light cookware in one simple step. Whether it's robust cast iron pans, Dutch ovens, or light-duty ceramic pans, all find their perfect place here. Built heavy-duty and tough, with double Eagle Co strength and a secure snap-on grip, our pots and pans organizer can handle up to 80 pounds, 10 pounds per tier. Unlike a solid one-piece pot organizer rack for the under cabinet, the Mudila pan organizer rack for the cabinet is adjustable and removable, so you can effortlessly fit pots and pans of various sizes. Number 4. Pots and Pans Organizer. Rating 4.4. 2 minutes installation. Turn chaos into order effortlessly with our pot and pan organizer for the cabinet. Install it in mere minutes with our intuitive design, enjoying tools-free assembly. Simply choose your DIY method, slide in the dividers, and voila! Our unique adjustable design caters to your every need. The extended U-shaped groove fits most lids, both large and small size. Adjustable dividers let you customize the setup for up to 8 cookware utensils to create a neat and orderly kitchen. Our exclusive non-slip, anti-scratch cover guards your precious cookware. The coating has increased thickness to save the pot rack organizer from rusting and covers the entire holder to protect your pots and pans from any scratches, ensuring it stays in place. Number 3. KES Ceiling Pot Rack. Rating 4.6. Built with solid metal wires and a 1.57-inch high outer frame, this hanging pot rack is highly long-lasting and resistant to deformation. With 0.16-inch thick and solid chains that are 50% thicker than others for greater weight-bearing capacity, you can confidently store your heaviest pots and pans on this heavy-duty pots and pans organizer. KES Pot Hanger can support a whopping 100 pounds. The 20 included hooks offer even more kitchen-organized storage for cast iron pots and pans, freeing up valuable kitchen space. KES Strength and Support Arms provide the perfect balance for your entire pot and pan hanger, ensuring stability and safety when storing or retrieving even your heaviest cookware. You can easily customize the chain's length to make the ceiling mount pot rack just right for your space. Number 2. KES 30-inch Kitchen Pot Rack. Rating 4.6. Sturdy grid shelf with 12 movable hooks. Our large pot organizer measures 29.9 inches by 9.8 inches and is sturdy enough to hold pots, pans, and any other kitchen necessities. The 12 S-shaped hooks hanging below are easily detachable, movable, and strong enough to withstand even heavy utensils. KES Pan Organizer effectively uses your kitchen wall space and provides 12 hooks for storing iron pots, mixing bowls, ladles, and stainless steel pans. Everything you need for cooking will always be within arm's reach, easy to spot, and organized. Whether you're struggling to keep a tiny kitchen tidy or just looking for a creative way to free up some counter space, the KES Kitchen Rack will add spaciousness to your home. Number 1. Under Cabinet Pot Rack. Rating 4.9. Before making your purchase, please ensure you check the dimensions of the pot rack carefully. Note: consider pot width, height, and the space occupied by the handle when measuring the cabinet/drawer. This will help you avoid placement issues and save you valuable time. Our pan organizers inside the cabinet are crafted from high-quality iron. Its load-bearing capacity can withstand the test of time, ensuring no bending or rusting. The U-shaped divider provides a secure and stable support for our lid and pot organizer. The unique elliptical slot design enhances stability and prevents dividers from wobbling or popping out when accessing cookware. The 12 non-slip rubber pads prevent the pot lid holder from moving and ensure it stays securely in the cabinet. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.